Okay, go
So,
ahead, Shane. Yep. See
okay, so this is my webinar. I will explain about my trading journey, and I will explain about the strategy. So it's as you all know, I came from the crypto background. So it's and just name suggested from crypto volatility to stock stability. Okay. So about me, I'm a software engineer by professional, currently staying in Netherlands, and I'm doing a part-time crypto and stock trading. I am married. I have twins girls, which who are 9 year old, and I have 2 year old son, as you can see in the picture. This is my family, and I like to travel, play badminton, and of course, as I'm Indian, I like to watch cricket and play cricket basically. Okay, so I start with my crypto trading journey because I started as a crypto trader. So started in 2016 when BTC was at $500. One of my friend introduced me to the some MLM scam based crypto, and I'm forever grateful for him because he introduced me to Bitcoin, and yeah, I came to know about Bitcoin trading, and that rest of the thing is history. So that is how it started. So yeah, I had invested in ICO, shit coins, meme coins, DeFi farming, NFT trading, you name it. So I did everything in crypto. In 2017 bull market, I turned $500 into 300K. Yeah, eventually did a round trip when the bear market came, and from 300K it went to the 5K because, as you know, crypto everything goes down 90%, 95% so fast. So I could not able to get time to react. Yeah, well, in 3 4 months, my account was wiped out like anything. I was just scrolling down and hoping that oh, price will come up. Oh, price will come up, but it never did, and that was a good learning that you should not hope. At least in trading or in investing, cut your losses. That was good experience, and I slowly managed to risk. Yeah, risk management is key. I tried to learn and slowly growing my account, and in 2021 I made back all my losses with good risk management and technical analysis skill. So far in crypto, I have seen the three bull markets and three bear markets, which taught me a lot about the trading and how important risk management is. So that is how it's so much learning gave me crypto. So this is my favorite quote. Doesn't matter how much you earn it, it matters when you keep it. So always whenever you have a profit, take it and keep it. Basically, that is very important. As we are in stock market bull run, it's quite important that we keep our profit and keep it safe for the next bull market, because then if you keep it, let's say if you invest in bear market, that's when the you create a wealth. So that is how I learned from the bear and bull market. Um, yeah, so that was a good learning from the crypto. Okay, so came to stock market. It's not a long time. It's just 1 year, around 1 year and 3 months. I started as a stock market trader, and yeah, I've been risking a very small amount, risking only 0.5% per trade or even less. And for this year, I had a goal to be consistent in the first year, and then after that, I will explore the dynamic sizing. Yeah, as I'm learning on the A plus setup, how we can increase the sizing and how we can capitalize on the good setups. So I don't want to try now. Maybe I'll try in the January when the this year end. And I've been consistently making money every quarter and months. I tried in July 0 DT option. I saw some YouTube videos, and then without any plan, I tried and made a loss around 15% in 1 week. So that was a good learning that never try a new strategy in on live account, and you have to proven your strategy unless and until don't go for a live account. Currently, with only 0.5 or 1% risk, I'm up 75% year on year. Yeah, that's I think quite good. I was just focusing on the very limited risk, and I could able to generate around 5 to 10% monthly, constantly, and it's been the trend has been going well. About my strategy, uh, rather than going into presentation, I would like to show on the trading view how I go about the strategy. So I will quickly. Do you see my trading view?
Yep, that's good.
Okay. So basically, my strategy is based on the key levels. Key levels are the weekly, monthly, and the daily levels. I'll explain how I draw the levels, and then I will proceed further. So I will go to the monthly time frame. Currently, I'm on NVIDIA chart. We can go on any chart. It works well. So I will minimize everything. Okay, so currently I'm on a monthly chart. As you can see, it's all the monthly green candles. So in such a uptrend, what I do, I draw the previous monthly high low, because that is quite important. Basically, price is at 189. So I would like to draw the level around the current price. So what I do, I draw the monthly close, monthly open. So this is a magnet tool I use, and I draw the monthly here. It's a previous monthly close level. Then this is open. I mark this as a monthly. Okay, so we don't have any level around this level, but if the price would have around this level, I would have marked this level. This is a turnaround point where Nvidia made a bottom here, and prices shoot up. So this is quite important level to me. As it's too far, I don't mark it, and I use the object tree for these levels, and I would like to keep it in the folder. So I will mark this as a monthly, and I will organize it as a monthly level so that I can hide or unhide anytime I want. So this is how I draw the monthly level. Then I go to the weekly time frame. I will hide it as of now, and then I will mark the weekly level. So as you can see, this is the level from where price reacted. So I mark this one as a weekly level. Then this was the weekly level, but now as you can see, price is 189. This is not more relevant to us. So this is the only two level I found as a weekly. Once again, I keep it in the folder as a weekly. Okay, so unhide it. I move to the daily. Now, as you can see here, this is quite important. It prices made a resistance here, then again came back, tested as a resistance, again third time resistance, then it took a breakout, and again it made act as a support. So this is quite important level to me. I'll mark this as a daily level. Then Another daily level is this one, because now from here price got a reaction. So this is the daily level I'll mark. Then another daily level is this one. This is a daily level. Then this was one of the daily level. Okay, so I will keep in one folder daily. Okay, so I have unhide it every level. Now I will move to the my execution time frame, which is like 1 minute or 5 minutes. So let's go to, as per your wish, you can go to the, as per your trading strategy, you can go for 1 minute, 5 minute. I like to go for 5 minute or 1 minute. So I will unhide every level, and I wanted to see where the good confluence is. If daily and weekly level are aligned, that is a good level to, as per me. And even if it's at around daily level or only the single confluence is there, that also consider, even if we get a reaction. If we don't get reaction, then I won't consider it. So now, as you can see here, this was the daily level. So, and see the reaction around these levels. One reaction, two reaction, three reaction, four reaction. Okay, once we got acceptance above this level. Now this monthly level. Now price, let's, today is the price action. See the reaction we got and on the monthly level. I will show you here. See the reaction around monthly level. Now see, we are getting a reaction around daily level. So around this level, I would like to see the bullish engulfing candle around this level. And if I get a bullish engulfing or any bullish pattern, I try to jump in with the stop loss just above the high. So for this level, a rule of thumb is that if the price get acceptance above or below level, then price can rotate to the next level. What I mean by that? So let's say this is the level. If price get acceptance above this level, then it can rotate to the next level. So my expectation is, if we get acceptance above this level, we can rotate to here. Now we got a acceptance below this level, this daily level. Now my expectation is, if we get rejection here, then prices will rotate to this monthly level. So this is how the rotation works. And if we get a rejection here, then it will come to this level. As price wise, you can see this is a quite good range. You can make a lot of money. Like this is like two $2 or $3 range, which you can trade. For this one, you have a around $3 range, which you can trade. But the basic is, where is the entry? Entry is around these levels. As you have a tight invalidation and a good risk to reward, you will have good strategy, I would say. It's a good risk to reward strategy. And most of the turning point happen around this level. This is a significant level, monthly and weekly level. Most of the turnaround happen around this level. That's why it's quite good and successful strategy. I will show you example how I traded. But did you understand the strategy how I'm doing? It's very simple. I just mark the weekly, daily level, and I try to see the reaction around this level and trade it. Oh, I deleted. Maybe I will I will show you on NQ chart also. NQ respect these levels quite well. See, I already marked this level. I think I don't need to mark it again. But do you see how the respect has been for these levels? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we didn't get any reaction, but we got a reaction here on the monthly level. If you go on the 5-minute time frame, you could have traded this one like on a live. So price is going down aggressively. It got a bounce. If you had at this level, you could have taken the trade here with stop loss just above this level. And you can try for the rotation level, which is this around 24,721. So if a risk reward doesn't favor, don't take a trade. If a risk reward is good, then you can take a trade. Uh, the trade which I took, then I will move to my slides. Okay, so this is the strategy which I explained. I mark the monthly, weekly, daily level. Level can be swing points, or level can be open, high, low, and close. But I mark only monthly and weekly, open, low, high, close. I don't generally mark daily level, open, high, low, close. And wait for the acceptance or rejection around this level to trade. If monthly and weekly and daily level align together, that is a A plus setup for me. And the second confluence I would like to see is on the book map. If we have a imbalance in bid and ask ladder, then probability increases. I get a very high confidence and I trade based on this. But even if you don't have a book map, I think it's fair. You just have to see the bullish candle on low time frame and trade it with tight invalidation. As explained on the rotation side, price gets acceptance above below level, then price rotate to the next level. Yeah, this was the one of the trade which I took, I think a few days back, 2 3 days back, where the 445 level, that was a monthly level, and if you see the hammer, I mean a bearish candle here around 445. As you can see on the 1 minute time frame, we just got a liquidity. I mean, the just 1 minute at the time of opening, I just got a one bullish candle followed by bearish candle. So once I saw this bearish engulfing candle, I enter around 443 and I cover at 443 level, 437 level. So if you see, my risk was around this high of this candle and I got a good reward. Okay, so trade example 2, it's a long, as I explained in the when I draw NVIDIA example, this is NVIDIA chart. Uh, you can see 184 level, which is aligned. So the confluence is the weekly and the daily level, 184.5. If you see on the trading, I mean the dash screenshot, we held it, we made a double bottom here, and as soon as we got acceptance and close above the VWAP, I enter and I cover, I mean I close at 187. So this is a massive risk to reward. As you can see, I held till next weekly level. So the rotation works really well. 184, around 184, 185 I enter, and around 187 I cover to the next level. So this was the home run which I took last week. So what I saw on the AMD chart, I think Ray and I also discussed that 164 was a weekly and daily level, which we were getting rejected multiple times. And if you see on the 15-minute time frame, each low is getting higher. So higher low, higher low, higher low, and we on the I think on Thursday or Friday we got a breakout and a retest. On Friday we got a retest, and I as soon as the retest done, I enter around this level, and I had a tight invalidation. If we close below 160, I would have closed the trade and see the result. Yeah, it's lucky, but my plan was held till the 182 level because, as I explained, that rotation happened, and my next rotation level was 182. So, nice. Yeah, 182. So I have a really good risk to reward here, and I was risking around $2-3,000 and made around $24,000. I think that was it from me. Any questions? Anyone
It's really
listening
cool.
or no?
Good
Yes,
stuff.
Jeet,
Yeah, good
really
stuff.
nice.
I like it.
That was
I
fantastic.
really like it because you got a simple approach to it, and I actually have the exact same background. I got into crypto in 2017, and made my way into the stock market. So
Mm-hmm.
it's an interesting story. But good
Yeah.
stuff. I like it. Thanks. Go ahead, guys. Anyone got questions?
Good job,
Oh,
Sajid.
fantastic.
Yeah, so Jeet, so you go with like monthly, daily levels. Do
Yeah.
you any intraday levels like pre-market high, pre-market?
Generally, I don't do it. My basically the ORP and other stuff I do around this level. So uh, if if let's say uh, on the open, if price is here and we make a break here, then I try to do the ORB here on 1 minute. So this is how I do it. I don't follow pre-market high low level. Most of my trade is around these levels. So today's trade I would like to explain on Oklo. It's quite simple. I will explain. So the, if you see, Oklo is bullish, and just what I did, I marked the monthly high. Okay, this was the monthly high. I marked the weekly high, which was around this level. So I go to the 5 minute time frame. Now, what do you see on here? We had a break and a retest. So where did I enter? I on a 1 minute time frame. If you see, I enter around this level. So as you can see, prices made aggressive move here. Then here is a back test of the monthly and weekly level. I enter here and cover it here. See the run happen here. It made a new high. Still strong, going strong. So this is I mean monthly and weekly level is so strong and you can easily take a trade. I think you will have massive risk to reward and you have a tight stop loss and I think um, I have a lot of confidence in this strategy and I made a good money around this strategy. But yeah, I would like to have a dynamic risk. Right now, I'm taking very less risk, around 400 $500, which is very less compared to what I do in the crypto. Yeah, but I just wanted to go slowly. I made around 100K in the stock market in 1 year, so that's a good achievement. But I would like to go for the higher sizes. Maybe in January I will try to do it.
Wow.
And
That
yeah, sorry.
that's
Yeah.
incredible, Suja. That's really incredible, man. I love the simplicity of this strategy. My only question is, how do you select the stock for the day? Like when you're coming into the market, how do you know what you're looking for?
So what I do generally, these levels you don't have to draw it daily. So this level I always mark it, and I keep it. You just on a weekly basis you just have to mark the new levels, And what I do, as you can see, I have a alert set here. Okay, for each around around I have this stock list: RJTI, Circle, PayPal, Oklo. So these are the trending stock which are moving aggressively, and I also have Nvidia and everything. So now I have the level. If you see here, I have a alert set here. I have a alert set here. So whenever the stock trade around this level, I immediately get a level alert here, and that's why I found out, oh, my level has been triggered, and then I jump in. So that's how I manage all these
Mm,
stocks.
gotcha.
Yeah,
Awesome.
I have
Thanks
a
so much.
premium subscription, so I have unlimited stock alert, so I can do any number of stock alerts here.
Mm, that's awesome. Thanks so much, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah,
Yeah, Sujit, when price hit your alert, then you observe it
yeah,
on
that's it.
5 minute.
Nothing, yeah, it's simple one.
Hello, Sujit.
And I would like to say thank you to Avi. I learned a lot previously before joining Avi's course. I used to take profit way earlier. I didn't hold uh, for the whole target. Like I could have cut immediately. My risk to reward wasn't good, but yeah, after Avi's uh, trading lessons, 80-20 principle. Yeah, I hold till 7 hour, 8 hour. Now almost 10, 20, 20, 30 hour I made in AMD. And also I want to say something about converting intraday position into swing position. So you can do that. Let's say stock is in really uptrend. For example, let's say this is a uptrend, higher high and higher low prices are making, and we got acceptance here. And on the intraday chart, we may make an aggressive move here. If you do the ORB here around this level, you can book half 50% around this your expected target, and keep stop loss to the day of the low. So I did it many times, and I ride it till maybe next day or day maybe hold for the 4 5 days if stock is really trending. So that is how I do it, because I have a level, so I know the rotation happen. Let's around, let's say if we get acceptance around 144, then let's say if next level is around 170 or 180, I hold till this time, and I have a fixed risk for that. You can convert your intraday position to the swing position also with limited risk. I did it many times.
Thank you very much, Sujit, and thank you, Avi, for having a forum like that where traders in the community can share the best practice, what's working for them. It's a great journey. It's a great learnings. Sujit, I just wanted to ask you a question. You were mentioning rotation level. How do you
Mm-hmm.
identify, or do you have a specific criteria towards these rotational levels?
Uh, Yeah, so if you see here around this level, okay, rotation, what I mean by that, acceptance means that few candles traded above this and really holding the level, and we are not going down below this level, okay, the weekly level. So if we get acceptance, then the my thesis is we move to the next liquidity level, which is around the next level, monthly or weekly level. So that is how I identify. So basically, I mark all the level, and if we get acceptance, then I simply see where is the next level is. Then I have a thought process that okay, price can rotate to the next level. Generally it happens. So if you see from the weekly perspective, or let's say from the monthly perspective, okay, So if you see this chart, if we are getting acceptance about this monthly close, okay, then eventually price is moving up, right? So this is then again for the next level it's moving up. So that is how the rotation happens. If we get acceptance below this monthly close, let's say if we get a bearish candle and we get acceptance here, then eventually price move to the next level, this level. So that is how the rotation works. Generally it works quite well. I have seen, like, I've been trading this strategy since 3-4 years. It always happen all the time.
Thank you very much, Sujit. So you think you look at the price action at towards the level. If it's holding, so that's acceptance. You
Yeah,
will try to take it to the next level. If it
yeah,
rejected or it couldn't, okay, so
yeah.
that's rotation.
Yeah, so for the outflow, let's say now prices are going down. I would like to see the reaction here. If we don't get a reaction and price moved downside and started going down, then ultimately on a uh, on a rejection of 145, I would like to see 135. So it's like that. If we get a
Great.
reaction here, then we can move to next all-time high. It's always if and else. If this happen, if we get acceptance, then I look for long. If we get a rejection, then I look for short. And one rule of thumb, like in an uptrend, generally, if you go with the uptrend and if you try to long around this level, then ultimately your win rate going to increase. In a downtrend, if we get a rejection around this level, then ultimately your win rate going to increase. But as a day trader, it doesn't matter for us, right? Because if we get a one bearish or bullish candle, that is enough for us with tight invalidation. It's up to you what you want to do, but uh, in my opinion, in a uptrend, it's always better to take a long rather than looking for short.
Yeah, of course, I can't agree with you more. Taking trend is your friend. So if you're with the
Yeah,
trend, the R to
yeah,
R is going to be much better and it will set up better.
yeah,
Thank you very much, Sujit. Really appreciate it, man.
yeah.
Suja, on average, how many R's do you think your trades are catching? Like 3R, 4R, 5R?
Yeah, currently I'm improving my R. Previously, before joining Avi's mentorship, I was only aiming for 2R, 3R, not more than 2R. Now I'm trying for 4R, 5R, 8R also I did last week on NVIDIA. So
Nice.
I'm trying my best to improve my R, not to think about anything. Yeah, that's the best part that has happened to me after joining Avi's session.
And do you journal your trades, Sujit?
Yeah,
Nice. Very good. No, this is incredible, man. I love the simplicity of it. Just simple levels
yeah.
to
Try
levels.
try it and let me know. Yeah. Yesterday also, yeah. I don't need to explain, but yesterday I saw in queue. Yeah, here was I mean, yesterday everyone was expecting down move. See we got a reaction on the daily and see the rotation happen to the next daily level. So
Nice.
you
Wow.
would have got like 200 points here. Uh, I don't trade NQ, but I like to chart and do it.
Yeah, of
It's
course.
quite
So
fascinating.
are there occasions where you hold overnight? Things like that, or?
Yeah, for the stock I hold, as I explained that if we get a really good momentum on intraday basis and prices are holding well, I keep a stop loss to the day low and ride. I try to ride it to the next day. Sometimes, if you get really bullish candle, then there are high probability that next day you get another bullish candle. So I try to capture maximum gain out of it. It
Nice.
depends on whether the stock is trending or doing. It has good momentum or not, basically.
Oh, cool. And then do you also incorporate this for like your long-term swing trading and investing and stuff too, or?
Ye- I mean, uh,
'Cause I
yeah,
know you showed us
I don't
the.
have long-term portfolio for the stock. Yeah,
Oh,
I
I see. I
only
see.
do the swing. Hardly, I mean, as I explained, swing only using this strategy. I do the ORB and try to hold it for longer time to minimize my risk. So
Cool.
that is what I do as a part of swing trading. But yeah, in crypto, I do it swing trading. So basically, what I do, so uh, if you see here, uh, yeah, if you see swing perspective, market is making higher high, higher low. Okay, now here is a good swing point where prices are holding, right? So yeah, this level.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, this is where prices are holding and we getting acceptance. So I would like to see now it's going down, but yeah, I would like to see few candles uh, hold this level. If we get a bullish reaction on 15 minute or 10 minutes, like higher high, higher low, then you can take a long for the swing. Just wait for the bullish market to form here, because now if you see the context, it's really going down. It's not. We are not getting any support. So even though you are at the weekly level, you are at the support, I think you should wait for the lower time frame, higher low and higher high sequence to form. Otherwise
Yeah.
it will not work.
Amazing, man. Are you still trading crypto as well, or?
Yeah, all the time. Yeah, I trade mostly Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. uh, Yeah, it's quite exhausting, man. So I stopped doing the day trade. I always do the swing trade for the these three.
Well, that's amazing, man. That's amazing.
Yeah, and it
So,
works for the crypto also. Simple. If I show you Bitcoin.